Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to crochet the perfect circle with this color yarn and 5mm crochet hook. Let's get into the video guys. So guys, to start with we have to make the magic ring or the magic circle first. So continue to make the magic circle. So just insert the hook like that and pull the yarn, and here we got the magic circle. So this one is called the magic circle guys. So now chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. So this chain 3 is called as the first double crochet, and now yarn over, insert the hook inside the magic ring, just grab the yarn and make one double crochet, one double crochet. So guys, now we have 2 double crochets. So again yarn over inside the magic ring and make one double crochet. So again yarn over inside the magic ring, insert the hook and just grab the yarn through the first 2 loops and then to the last 2 loops and just pull the end yarn guys, so that you get the magic circle smaller. So we have got 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochets. You have to continue to make double crochets inside the magic circle until you get 12 double crochets including chain 3. So guys, I have just completed 12 double crochets, and now to end the round, just pull the end yarn so that you get the magic circle smaller. So now to end the round, just go on top of the first double crochet. Just insert the hook, grab the yarn and pull the yarn through the other loop. So this one is a slip stitch, and now what we have to do is just loosen the yarn like that. Just loosen the yarn and go to the opposite side stitch. That stitch, as you'll see, just insert the hook and now just grab the other side of the yarn. Just grab the yarn, make sure you grab the yarn carefully, pull the yarn just like that. And now we'll start our second round. So for that, chain 3, and this chain 3 is called as the first double crochet, and in the same stitch you have to make one double crochet, So guys, we have got 2 double crochets over here, and at the next stitch just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one double crochet, and again just yarn over, insert the hook inside the same stitch, grab the yarn and make one double crochet. So again yarn over, inside the next stitch you have to make 2 double crochets. So the first double crochet, and again yarn over, insert the hook inside the same stitch, just grab the yarn and make one more double crochet. So guys, this one is the pattern for round 2. That is, on each and every stitches you have to make 2 double crochets. So 2 on each and every stitches, on top of each and every stitches you have to make 2 double crochets. Continue guys, I'll meet you at the end. So guys, I have just completed the round 2, and now I'm left with the last stitch. So over there we are going to make 2 double crochets. So for that, yarn over, insert the hook inside the stitch, grab the yarn and make one double crochet, and make 1 double crochet, and again just yarn over, inside the hook, inside the same stitch over there, just inside the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 more double crochet. So guys, we have completed round 2. So to end the row, just go on top of the first double crochet, over there. Just insert the hook and grab the yarn and pull it through the other yarn. So we have got the slip stitch, and just loosen the yarn, and now go to the opposite side of the stitch. Just insert the hook and grab the other side of the yarn carefully. Just grab the other side of the yarn carefully, just like that. So guys, now to begin round 3, so chain 1, 2 and 3. So this chain 3 is called as 1 double crochet. So yarn over and go to the next stitch, over there, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 double crochet, and yarn over, inside the same stitch over there, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 more double crochet. So guys, now into the next stitch over there, make 1 double crochet. So insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch make 2 double crochets. So insert the hook, grab the yarn and make the first double crochet, and yarn over, insert the hook inside the same stitch, grab the yarn and make 1 more double crochet. So guys, now we have got our double crochets, that is 1, 2, 1 and 2. So continue to make 1, 2, 1 and 2 throughout 1 and 2. This one is the pattern throughout the round, guys. I'll meet you at the end. So guys, I have just completed the round 3, and this is how it looks, and I'm left with 2 stitches at the last. So at the first stitch I'm going to make 1 double crochet, and at the last stitch I'm going to make 2 double crochets, and at the last stitch over there I'm going to make 2 double crochets. So insert the hook inside the stitch, insert the hook inside the stitch, so grab the yarn, and make 1 double crochet, and now again yarn over, insert the hook inside the same stitch, grab the yarn and make 1 double crochet. So guys, now I've just completed round 3. So to end the round, just go on top of the first double crochet, just insert the hook over there and grab the yarn and pull the yarn through the other side of the loop. So we have got the slip stitch, and now just loosen the yarn, and now go to the opposite side of the stitch, just insert the hook and grab the other side of the yarn carefully, and pull the yarn through the stitch, just like that. So guys, this one is the pattern, or it is called the invisible join. So now again, to begin with our next round, chain 3, and as usual chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and again into the next stitch over there make 1 more double crochet, I mean 2 double crochets, sorry guys. So in the same stitch again we have to make 1 more double crochet, into the same stitch we have to make 1 more double crochet, 1 more double crochet, 1 more double crochet. So guys, 1 1 and 2, 1 1 and 2. I hope you guys can understand. So again into the next stitch we have to make 1 double crochet. So into the next stitch over there we have to make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch we have to make 2 double crochets. So this one is the first double crochet, and again yarn over into the same stitch, over there we have to make another double crochet, So guys, this one is the pattern for this round, that is this one is a pattern, that is 1 1 and 2, 1 1 and 2. So 1 1 and again 2, 1 1 and again 2. So this one is a pattern guys, you have to repeat for the round, that is 1 1 and 2. So continue guys, I'll meet you at the end of the round. So guys, I've just completed the round, and this is how it looks. And to end the round, just go on top of the first double crochet, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and just pull it through the other side of the loop. So this one is a slip stitch, and just loosen the yarn, and now you have to go to the other side of the stitch, just go to the other side of the stitch, just insert the hook, and now just grab the other end of the, other side of the yarn, just grab the yarn carefully, guys, just grab the yarn carefully guys, that is just pull the yarn, just like that, pull the yarn like that a bit slowly, so that you get the invisible join, So guys, this is how it looks, the circle 12 24 36, and it goes on, and this is how you have to increase to get your circle big, and fasten off the yarn over there. And guys, this is the circle, and now I'm going to keep this laughing Buddha on top of the circle, or I can use it for whatever I want. And this is the circle with the invisible join, and you can increase how much ever you want guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my video guys. Happy crochet.